Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of these trading strategies, and of course make sure you practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. So quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. So this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. Right from this support zone, it started an uptrend. That is why you are seeing the yellow flag and the blue arrows, okay? And of course it kept on buying, got to this resistance zone and played around there for a while before breaking out above it to get to a new resistance zone, okay? So if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will go back on a downtrend. But for now it is still buying, even though this might not be for a very long time, in case it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. So it may likely sell if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, okay? So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Boom 500 had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone. You can see it kept on selling till it got to this region. It has gotten to this support zone and trying to see if it will break out below it. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend, but for now it is still selling. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay, this is crash 1000. It started a downtrend right from here, even though the movement is not that smooth, but it's more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, and of course if it's unable to break out below the support zone, then it will go back on a buy trend. Okay, so selling, but may likely go back on buy trend if it's unable to break out below the support zone, and you should wait for all the necessary signals before you get into the market for a buy. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 started a downtrend right from here, and it started crashing down, even though it's played around there for a while, and it went down again to get to a new support zone. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. This might not be for long, most especially with the fact that it is at the support zone. If it does not break out below it, then it will go back into a buy trend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be volatility 75. Volatility 75 started a downtrend right from the resistance zone, and it kept on selling until it got to the support zone, and of course right from here it was unable to break out below it, and it started a buy trend right from there, and of course here is a buy signal. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities or the strategies shared in my videos. Practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God